Perform the following steps. Create and grant permissions to different service users. Create resource pools and set exception rules. Associate users and verify exception rules. You can use the resource management function. A cluster has been created on TPC. H-sample data has been imported. Click Login. Enter login information to connect to the cluster. And create budget, config, user and report user. Grant all permissions on all tables in schema TPCH to both users. Check the resource allocation of the two users. Log in to the DWS Management Console. Click the cluster name in the cluster list. Switch to the Resource Management page. Click at a resource pool to create the report resource pool Huawei. And transaction resource pool pool 2. Click exception rule. Add to enter the threshold of the exception rule. Add exception rule 2 in the same way. Go back to the resource pool page. Click Associated Exception Rules. Select the created exception rule and click OK. Use the same method to associate the resource pool with the exception rule. On the resource pool page, click User Association. Associate resource pool 1 with user report. User Associate resource pool to with user budget. Config user in the same way. Log into the database as user report user. Run the following command to check the resource pool to which the report user belongs. The query result shows that the resource pool to which the report user belongs is pool 1. Verify the exception rule bound to the resource pool 1. It is confirmed that the exception rule 1 is bound to pool 1. View the rule type and threshold of the exception rule for the current user. The report user executes a query job. If error information similar to canceling statement due to workload manager exception is displayed during job execution, the job is terminated. The resource management function of DWS takes effect.